Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we have some rust. Now, Coxie came up with a challenge for myself and him to restore some handcuffs. He has a pair, I've got a pair, and we're going to see who restores them best. Now these don't look half bad. There's a lot of this that I think will clean up really nice. Well, there is a lot of pitting on the lock tubes, and I don't think that bit's going to come up very nice. It doesn't look too bad on camera. You can see big chunks of material missing, and again a lot of pitting on that lock barrel. That's the word I was looking for. Now I do have an advantage compared to Coxie because his are rusted solid, and he went through all of his cuffs looking for a key. First key I tried actually worked in these, which is handy, and it does screw in. Now it gets to about there and stops, which I think is because it's rubbing on the rust there, and I don't want to force it, but both sides do spring and move. So the plan from here is remove everything that's not handcuffs and then make shiny. And what do that? Vinegar. Now this is distilled white vinegar, so I'll chuck them in there for a bit and see what happens. Never tried this before, so this could go terrible, I don't know. Swear. That way. I'll need to top that up a little bit because we're not all the way in. But in the next video we'll see how this turns out. That's all from us, see you next time. That's all from us, see you next time.
Bye.
There we go.